the front of our house. Always wanted a yellow house with a white picket fence. And I got it. This used to be a jungle. And we tore it all up, flattened it all out, put the fence in, and my husband said, "It's yours, do what you want." So I did. Not much in bloom just yet. It's been a pretty sad spring. Rosebush seems to be doing well. Ooh, hubby's fixing my wishing well this year. This is the brand new bottom he got for me. The top was in the backyard. As you can see, we like unusual things. And this is the very first plant I put in my yard.